Hello everyone, so this video is to show you guys how to take out the glass from your plastic shelving. The shelf came out from a Samsung fridge, a single door Samsung fridge. It's an older model, so it's kind of difficult to find any helpful videos to help you take out the glass from the shelf. So here I'm just trying to show you the setup of the plastic and how it's holding the glass together. So you can see at the top and at the bottom there are plastic parts holding the glass underneath. So definitely the glass can slide looking at the side. So you look for which plastic side kind of allows you to have space between the glass and the plastic. If you have a little space from any of them, so I think you should focus on that one. So for me, it's this top part. When I push the glass, I could see that there's a little bit of space. So I just put in more pressure there so that there's space for me to put the plastic behind the glass. Another point to note is that please do not try to do this when immediately you take out the shelf from the fridge, because the plastic is very hard. It's still going to be cold. So I'd advise you run it through warm water or hot water so that the plastic becomes more flexible, or maybe room temperature, so you can be able to move it around. If not, it's just going to break. Okay, so patience is key here. So here I'm showing you because I have already taken out the glass and I've washed the plastic, but I said to just make this video. That's why it's easier for me to like pull and push and do everything I need to do. So here I'm just going to show you how I took it out, and I'm also going to show you how to put it back in. Very simple, very, very simple. So here you go, guys. This is the video to help you and to help me. Thank you. Keep watching.